Okay, so your tenant's moved out. You've got the mortgage still due on your rental property. You gotta find a new tenant. Oh, what else do you have to do? I've gotta paint my house. I gotta clean it. How do I get this rental property ready? Hey guys, does that sound like you? Today's video, we're gonna go through a rental property and I'm gonna show you how to cheaply get a property ready without breaking the bank. Let's start from the beginning. Hi, so I've been hired to do a quick property turn. And what I mean by that is this customer would like for me to get his rental property ready for rental or to sell. And as you can see, it's in pretty good shape. However, it's just not quite ready. You've got marks on the wall. Here's the question. How do we get this property ready so that a new tenant or a new buyer would want to get it? And how do we do it without spending a lot of money? The first thing we're going to do is touch-up painting, then we're going to clean it, then we're going to do carpet cleaning. Let me show you what I mean by touch-up painting. So the first thing I would do if I'm going to do touch-up painting is get a small sample of the sheetrock, and I would do it in a very inconspicuous area. This area right here looks like a good spot. We're going to cut out just the top layer of this wall. Okay, so what I want to do is get a piece that's big enough that I can take to the paint store, and I'm just going to slowly work it out. Ideally, I'm going to try to pull off the top layer. Okay, so zooming ahead, and what I'm going to do is pull this off the wall, and it'll leave a little bit of a hole there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this match to Sherwin-Williams to get the color, and we're going to patch this hole. Okay, I'm here at my local Sherwin-Williams store. Got my paint match. I think it's a flat. Just in case you're curious to want to see what it looks like around here in Athens, Georgia. And that's spectacular views. There's a Longhorn Steakhouse. Like that. Alright, let's go see how good a match we can do. Hey guys, it's a different day, and I already started painting the downstairs, but I still wanted to show you how good a match Sherwin-Williams did. So here's my can of paint, and that is their match. So the question is, how good will this match be on the wall? And it'll be very good. I want to show you some other things I've done and just kind of give you an idea. So, all right, let's let it dry. A while later, and you know, it's pretty dry. So it looks like a really good match. You can see where the wall is kind of off color here. The match is good. So what we want to do is paint the wall the match color, and what we'll do is when we get to the roof or the baseboards, sometimes you don't have to cut them in perfect when you're doing your touch-up painting, because if the match is good enough, it won't really matter. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the spot. I've been kind of working in the room, and over on this wall, can you see where I've painted? I wish you could really see better than you can, but you can see, so this paint is still wet, and you can see at the top, I did not touch the wall in perfect at the top. So what I want to do is let this dry, and we're going to see eventually, will we be able to see that? I showed you guys what the trim looked like earlier. So let's look at the whole wall. So if you're walking into this place, and you're looking at the wall, for the most part your eyes are going to be there, and you're going to say, wow, that wall looks good. If you're a really picky person, you might go up to the top and you can see how it hasn't quite blended in perfectly. So in this case, I'm going to go through and do a quick wipe of those areas, and I can go quick because the match is really good and it'll look good. So that's what you need to look at. Sometimes you don't need to get in those spots. Sometimes you do, especially when you have light switches. You're probably going to have to do some stuff there. But we'll do a quick wipe through and this place is going to look fantastic. Okay guys, so let's do a quick review. If your tenant just moved out of your house, you've got to get it ready to rent. What are 3 big things you can do without breaking the bank? Number 1, touch-up painting. Number 2, the cleaning. If you're curious what should go on a move-in cleaning, check out my website in the description, and I've got a checklist for move-in cleaning. Painting, cleaning, carpet cleaning. Those 3 things will really make your house pop. Is it a perfect way to turn your rental house? No. There may be a broken blind or something else here or there. But on a lot of your rental properties, touch-up painting, carpet cleaning, and regular cleaning will get it ready. I hope that helps out. Guys, Turn Clean Services does lots of work in Metro Atlanta and Athens. If you'd like me to come out and get your rental property ready, please give me a call. You can visit turncleanservices.com. We'll see you next time.